Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am making a really clean and simple card using my November Simon Says stamp card kit. This is the pattern paper and the die that came in the kit. I'll also be using these stitch circle dies and this Merry Christmas die that I had in my stash. So I've already pre-cut my card base and also the panels that I'll be using for this card. Just makes it life a lot easier to do it that way. So I'm going to start off by doing all of my die cutting first. I'm starting off with this little Merry Christmas die. I love this little scripty die. I got this die from AliExpress. I didn't get to haul it for you guys because, as y'all know, with AliExpress, if you order from different stores on AliExpress, everything comes in at a different time pretty much. So all my little AliExpress haul kind of trickled in, so I couldn't wait. So I decided to share it with you now. So I'm also taking that little reindeer, the little ho-ho reindeer die that came in the kit, and I am just going to die cut that in the center of that white card panel. And then I'm going to do those two stitched circle dies in green cardstock. And I basically wanted to create a little frame or a little window to go around the reindeer, kind of like he's peeking through a window. So that was my thinking for this card. And by the way, I got this little Gemini like metal shim or plate for my die cutting machine, and it really makes a big difference with how your dies cut the paper. It cuts really good with that metal shim. So I got all my pieces die cut, and so I'm going to use my art glitter glue, and I am going to adhere that pattern paper right down on the front of my card base. And this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 top folding card we're making. I really like that wood grain print on that paper. So here's the little frame, and I decided I was just going to frame the deer, but then I decided to offset that little circle a little bit to kind of put some separation between the card and the little reindeer's neck. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm using some foam dimensional squares, and I am going to pop this whole panel up on top of the pattern paper there. And I really should have cut that pattern paper down a little bit. I just needed enough to show behind the deer, but I wasn't thinking at the time when I was making this card. So yeah, I am going to pop this up on the front of the card. And I like the way that that pattern paper shows behind the little deer. So next I'm going to take one of the little pom-poms that came in the kit, and I am going to use my Beacon 3-in-1 glue to glue one of the little pom-poms down on his little nose. And I love the Beacon glue for fabrics and these little pom-poms and ribbon. To me, this glue works really well when you're dealing with different material. So I'm just going to pop that right down. And then I'm going to add one of these little pre-tied bows that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I did share them with you in my holiday haul that I did recently. And so I'm just going to add this as an embellishment right under his little neck. And I really love these little bows. I'm not the best at tying bows, and I love these really tiny bows for making tags and just using them as embellishments like I am now. And you get quite a few of those little bows in a pack. And Hobby Lobby always have them on their holiday sales. Whenever they do Christmas for 50% off, that's the best time to get those. And I think you can get a whole pack for $1 at Hobby Lobby. So next, I am just adhering that Merry Christmas sentiment at the bottom of the card, and that is pretty much gonna do it for this card. Super easy, super clean. You can add bling if you like, but I just liked it really clean and simple, just like this. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe below. See you in my next video. Bye.